University College of Engineering, Bharatidasan Institute of Technology Campus, Anna University, Tiruchirappalli. The vision is to transform students into competent professional and responsible citizens by focusing on assimilation, analysis, synthesis, and dissemination of knowledge to meet the societal needs. And the mission is to impart quality education to meet the needs of profession and society, and to attract and develop talented and committed human resource and provide an environment conducive to innovation and research. Practice and promote high standards of professional ethics, transparency and accountability, and team spirit and entrepreneurial skills. And disclaimer, this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at BIT campus, Anna University, Trichy: Electronics and Communication Engineering, Biotechnology, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering Tamil Medium, Pharmaceutical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Civil Engineering Tamil Medium, Computer Science and Engineering, Automobile Engineering, and Petrochemical Technology. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments for BIT Anna University, Trichy. For OC 180 to 191, for BCM 128 to 178, for BC 173 to 189, for MBC 143 to 188, for SC it is 158 to 180. The facilities available at BIT Library. BIT Central Library is the knowledge center of institute for an academic and research activities. It has been catering to information needs of intellectuals and ignited the minds of institute. Library has 45,971 volumes covering all major fields of science and engineering. Library subscribe the most important databases like Delnet, JGate for the benefit of engineering and technology students. It includes collection of books and journals from various publications such as Elsevier, Emerald Group, Nature Publishing Group, National Research Council of Canada, Sage Publications, Business Media, Taylor and Francis, Urban and Fisher Verlag journals, etc. The total number of print and online journals subscribed is 7,000 plus. Sports. The department is equipped with good infrastructure facilities, and even in a short span of time, the students were given training in most of the sports and games, which led to remarkable achievements by the students in zonal, interzonal, district, state, and national level sports and games. Health Center. Health Center provides first aid service in working hours. Emergency service is provided for all 24 hours by giving first aid and referred to the other multi-speciality hospitals. It provides healthcare service for general ailments. Special services are provided like dental care, scaling, filling, general awareness programs on personal hygiene, and 24 hours vehicle service for emergency healthcare, psychology guidance, and counseling provided by the psychologist twice a month. And the other free facilities: free Wi Fi, cafeteria, auditorium, bank, guest house, and security. The major recruiters at BIT Anna University, Trichy: AMEX, HCL, Cognizant, Renault, ChangePoint, Sutherland Services, iLink, Sonalinka International, Universal, Shincheng Solar Energy, Simco Engineering, Metalcam, Mithrang, One Globe, CSS Corp, Dell, American Megatrends, Sanmar, Aurora Healthcare, Texmo, TCS, Alsec Technologies Limited, Infosys, Microsoft, Siemens, Git IT, and many more. Result comparison for University College of Engineering, Tiruchirappalli BIT campus from 2013 to 2017. In 2013, 78.49 percentage, 64.42 percentage in 2014, 72.55 in 2015, 68.29 in 2016, and 67.52 in 2017. The college counseling code is 3011. Contact college at 0431 2407 946. Website is www.eaubit.edu.in. The college is located at Bharati Sasan Institute of Technology Campus, Anna University, Tiruchirappalli, 620024.